So Charlotte's actually one of the ladies that we've sponsored for the female, or the girls' national.
Shoulder is coming. Come better. I'm going to do that again. This is your last lap. You're coming off now. When we get back to the van, you need to tell me if it was better or worse. Okay? or worse?
Better.
Was it? You felt a difference straight away, did you? Yeah. Can you hear anything I'm saying? Right. If you need to adjust anything, I'm going to stand where I normally stand, okay? Okay.
That last one.
That's it. How was it? Good. Yeah. Did that feel better? When I made it harder? Did it feel like it weren't going down as much?
Yeah.
Like you on the bigger bumps, did it feel better? It weren't diving down so much. Sure. Well done. You look good.
Is there anything from this championships you'd say that you've learned that's made you a better rider?
I've learnt that you can get more gears on the track and you can stand more.
What's next for Lottie?
We've got Lucas Oil Championships coming soon, and the Girl National Championships Easter weekend. Thank you for 179MX for sponsoring me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. My handle is here. Now let's party.
Sponsored by PPR Ignition. So you get the PPR Ignition and mapping, and then we get for second and third place vouchers provided by 179 and Mud Monkey. So in 8th place we've got Charlotte Lee. So Charlotte's actually one of the ladies that we've sponsored for the female, or the girls, national. Second place, we've got Rory Harrison, who's on holiday. I know, I'd like to be there too. And in first place, we've got Freddie Morris. Go on, Freddie! Right, parents, are you ready for your phones? 3, 2, 1.
When the lights get see it coming.